Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Jordan.
And I'm Kylie. Hi, everyone.
Today, we're going to talk about something we all love, or sometimes not so much, the weather.
Yes, rain, sun, snow, wind. It's always changing, right?
Exactly. And we're going to share some stories, laughs, and simple English words you can use to talk about the weather too.
So, if you want to learn English while having fun, stay with us.
Let's get started. Hey Kylie, good morning. How are you today?
Hey, Jordan. Good morning. I'm doing well. A little sleepy, but good. How about you?
I'm also a little tired. I didn't sleep well last night. The wind was so loud outside.
Oh, really? Yeah, I heard it too. It kept me awake for a while.
Yeah, the weather is so strange these days. One day it's sunny, the next day, boom, thunderstorm.
I know. I never know what to wear anymore. Yesterday, I wore a t-shirt, and today, I needed a jacket.
Same here, and I forgot my umbrella this morning. Of course, it rained.
Oh no, that's the worst. Did you get soaked?
Just a little, but my shoes are wet now. I hate wet shoes.
Me too. Wet shoes make me grumpy.
Yeah. So, do you like rainy weather, Kylie?
Sometimes. I like it when it rains a little. It feels calm. But heavy rain? No, not really. And thunderstorms? Definitely no.
Me neither. Thunderstorms scare me a little, especially when it's very loud.
Same. I remember one time when I was a kid, the thunder was so loud I hid under my bed.
Really? That's funny. I used to do the same thing.
Yeah, kids are scared of loud noises. Even now, I still jump sometimes.
I get that. But I like sunny weather. Sun makes me happy.
Me too. Sunshine makes everything better. I love walking outside when it's sunny.
Yeah, and ice cream tastes better on sunny days too.
True. I always feel like eating ice cream when it's hot and sunny.
So, do you like hot weather or cold weather more?
I think I like warm weather. Not too hot, not too cold. Just warm. Perfect for walking and sitting outside.
Yeah, that's nice. I like warm weather too, but I also like winter a little. Snow is fun.
Oh, snow! I love snow. I remember last winter, I built a snowman with my little brother.
That sounds fun. Did you make it big?
Oh, yes, very big. Almost as tall as me. And we put a carrot for the nose.
Classic. That's so cute. Snow makes me happy too. I love snowball fights.
Me too. But sometimes snow is annoying. You have to shovel it and drive carefully.
Yes, driving in snow is hard. I slipped once. It was scary.
Oh no, are you okay?
Yeah, luckily nothing happened, but I was so nervous.
I understand. Weather can be fun, but also tricky.
Exactly. Hey, do you check the weather every day?
Yeah, I do. I don't like surprises. I want to know if it's going to rain or snow.
Me too. I check my phone every morning, and sometimes I look outside first, just in case.
That's smart. But sometimes the weather forecast is wrong, right?
Oh, yes. I remember one day the forecast said sunny all day, and it rained all afternoon.
That's funny. I hate it when that happens.
Me too, but it makes life interesting, I guess.
Yeah, it's always changing. The weather is never the same.
Smiles. True. Hey, do you have a favorite season?
I think I like spring. Flowers bloom, birds sing, and it's not too hot or too cold.
Oh, I like spring too. Everything feels fresh and new.
Yes, and I love walking in the park during spring. The trees are green. It's so pretty.
Yeah, and the air smells nice. Fresh air makes me feel good.
Exactly. What about you? Do you have a favorite season?
I think I like fall. The leaves change color, red, orange, yellow. It looks amazing.
Oh, yes. Fall is beautiful. And pumpkin spice? I love pumpkin spice.
Me too. Fall drinks are the best. Hot chocolate, coffee, everything is cozy.
Yeah, cozy sweaters too. I love wearing warm sweaters in fall.
Me too. Winter can be cozy too, with blankets and hot drinks.
True, but summer. I like summer for ice cream and swimming.
Yeah, summer is fun too. The weather is good for the beach.
Oh, yes, I love the beach. Sun, sand, waves. It's relaxing.
Me too. I remember last summer I went to the beach with my friends. We swam and played volleyball.
That sounds fun. I went to the beach too with my family. We built sandcastles.
Sandcastles are fun. Did you make a big one?
Yes, very big. And my little brother tried to knock it down.
Oh no, that's funny.
Yeah, it was fun anyway.
So, I think weather is a great topic. Everyone talks about it.
Yes, it's easy to start a conversation and everyone understands it.
True. You can talk about weather anywhere, home, work, park, even on the phone.
Yes, and it's safe. People like talking about it.
Yeah, nobody gets upset about the weather.
True. And sometimes talking about weather can be fun. You can share stories.
Exactly. Like our snow story and rain story, it's nice to remember these moments.
Yes, weather connects us in a way. Everyone experiences it.
Very true. So, I think we talked a lot today.
Yes, I feel like we went through all seasons.
Yep, spring, summer, fall, winter, and a little rain and snow.
That was fun, and I hope our viewers learned some new words too.
Yes, words about sun, rain, snow, and feelings about weather.
Exactly. And the main thing is, weather is part of life. We can enjoy it, even when it's tricky.
True. And sometimes it gives us stories to tell, laughs to share, and memories to keep.
Yes. So next time it rains or snows or is super sunny, we can remember today's chat.
Yeah, and maybe share our own stories too.
Exactly. Thanks for talking with me today, Jordan.
Thank you too, Kylie. I had a lot of fun.
Me too. Have a great day, everyone.
You too. Bye.